Every day, businesses around the world attract, engage, and captivate audiences with BrightSign digital signage solutions, including BrightSign Built-In. Our cost-efficient system-on-a-chip technology combines BrightSign OS with premium commercial-grade displays from our manufacturing partners. As our first and longest-standing BrightSign Built-In partner, Bluefin International knows the technology inside and out and has the agility to integrate it with displays across a vast range of form factors, sizes, and applications. From digital end cap signage to customized interactive wayfinding to stunning outdoor displays, Bluefin goes beyond one-size-fits-all options, working with you to design the ideal all-in-one display for your needs with the highest quality components. BrightSign OS is seamlessly integrated into every one, so there's no need to manage multiple devices, and installation is easy. And like all BrightSign solutions, each display comes with 5 years of software updates to extend its longevity and keep your network and content secure. But the partnership goes deeper than devices. Bluefin and BrightSign teams work hand in hand to provide unmatched support and expertise to our customers. As partners in innovation, we'll continue to develop solutions that meet the changing needs of the market and offer even greater control, flexibility, and value. For streamlined, secure digital signage, from a proven BrightSign partner that can bring your unique vision to life, choose Bluefin BrightSign Built-In displays.